Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Panalo ang Brooklyn Nets kontra sa Charlotte Hornets, 133-121. Mikal Bridges ng Nets nagtala ng 24.7 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal, 1 block. Habang si Terry Rozier ng Hornets na humakot ng 23 points, 3 rebounds, 9 assists, 1 steal, 1 block. Panalo din ng Chicago Bulls kontra sa Indiana Pacers, 112-105. Nikola Vucevic, 24 points, 17 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal. Tyrese Haliburton, 19 points, 5 rebounds, 13 assists, 2 steals. Tinalo naman ng Boston Celtics ang Washington Wizards, 126-107. Jaylen Brown, 36 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, 3 steals, 1 block. Kyle Kuzma, 21 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists. Wagi naman ang Atlanta Hawks kontra sa Minnesota Timberwolves, 127-113. DeJounte Murray, 41.7 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals. Anthony Edwards, 31 points, 5 rebounds, 7 assists, 1 steal. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pinataob naman ng Portland Trail Blazers ang Toronto Raptors, 99-91. DeAndre Ayton, 10 points, 23 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, 2 blocks. Scottie Barnes, 20 points, 12 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, 1 block. Tinalo naman ng Dallas Mavericks ang Memphis Grizzlies, 125-110. Luka Doncic, 35 points, 12 rebounds, 12 assists, 1 steal, 1 block. Desmond Bane, 30 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals. Panalo naman ang Milwaukee Bucks kontra sa Miami Heat, 122-114. Giannis Antetokounmpo, 33 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 block. Tyler Hero ng Miami Heat, 35 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal. Tinambakan naman ng Golden State Warriors ng 28 points ang New Orleans Pelicans, 130-102. Stephen Curry, 42 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals. CJ McCollum, 19.6 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 steal. Panalo naman ang Oklahoma City Thunder kontra sa Detroit Pistons, 124-112. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, 32 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals. Jaden Ivey, 20 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, 1 block. Panalo din ang Denver Nuggets kontra sa Utah Jazz, 110-102. Nikola Jokic, 27 points, 10 rebounds, 11 assists, 2 blocks. Lauri Markkanen, 27 points, 14 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 block. Tinalo naman ng Los Angeles Lakers ang Orlando Magic, 106-103. Anthony Davis, 26 points, 19 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 steal, 3 blocks. Markelle Fultz, 14 points, 4 rebounds, 8 assists, 1 steal, 2 blocks. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 1, 2023. Maglalaban ang New York Knicks at Cleveland Cavaliers alas 7:30 ng umaga. Magharap naman ang San Antonio Spurs at Phoenix Suns alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Orlando Magic at Los Angeles Clippers alas 10:30 ng umaga. Heto ang team standings as of October 31, 2023. Sa Western Conference, Denver Nuggets 4 wins 0 loss. Dallas Mavericks 3 wins 0 loss. Golden State Warriors 3 wins 1 loss. Oklahoma City Thunder 3 wins 1 loss. Phoenix Suns 2 wins 1 loss. Sacramento Kings 2 wins 1 loss. Los Angeles Clippers 2 wins 1 loss. New Orleans Pelicans 2 wins 1 loss. Los Angeles Lakers 2 wins 2 losses. Minnesota Timberwolves 1 win 2 losses. San Antonio Spurs 1 win 2 losses. Utah Jazz 1 win 3 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 1 win 3 losses. Houston Rockets 0 win 3 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 0 win 4 losses. Para naman sa Eastern Conference, Boston Celtics 3 wins 0 loss. Milwaukee Bucks 2 wins 1 loss. Orlando Magic 2 wins 1 loss. Indiana Pacers 2 wins 1 loss. Philadelphia 76ers 2 wins 1 loss. Detroit Pistons 2 wins 2 losses. Chicago Bulls 2 wins 2 losses. Atlanta Hawks 2 wins 2 losses. Cleveland Cavaliers 1 win 2 losses. Brooklyn Nets 1 win 2 losses. New York Knicks 1 win 2 losses. Charlotte Hornets 1 win 2 losses. Washington Wizards 1 win 2 losses. Miami Heat 1 win 3 losses. Toronto Raptors 1 win 3 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.